Now, I want to point out this word. You see? These two verses. One it says, 不, no peace. Here, it didn't say 有 means have. Okay? If you say no peace, then if you have peace, you're supposed to just have a word called 有. Well, no, this moral lesson didn't use a 有. It used a character called 信. Why? This is now very deep. This is the truth. If you want to 有 peace, if you want to have peace, you need to have this word called 信. That makes this moral lesson extremely profound. It's one word, 信. Do you know why modern people cannot have peace of their heart? Modern people lost something so precious. They lost one word called 信. Faith and trust. Okay? A human being without the ability to trust, that human being will never find peace anymore. Okay? All the forces of our heart, they will fight with each other. There's no way they will settle down without a higher power that is higher than the human forces. Okay? If you just allow your human heart to operate your life, you just follow your human emotions, you are like the ship on the sea. The storm, the wind, everything will today blow you on here, today blow you on there. Maybe one day you got flipped and drowned. Because the forces of the human world, of all those heart forces, are very powerful. Love, hate, jealousy, viciousness, anger. Do you know what I mean? All those forces drive people crazy every day and make the heart boom, 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 boom. Very, very busy. And that's why modern people have high blood pressure, heart disease, okay, insomnia, right? And then all the social problems. When people cannot sleep well, then they take medicine. The medicine makes them even lost the control of their heart. Worse. And then they start to go down the tube. Okay. So right now, all the psychological problems, the mental diseases, right? Mental patients, lots of them. Depression, big time. Depression. Okay. Some people take drugs and then they totally lose control of their mind. Okay. But there is a solution for it. It's called faith. Faith to trust. Trust what? What to trust? That is the key. Okay? So we as human beings, living in the human world, from birth to aging, to sickness and death, this whole cycle, what is the force that is governing that cycle? If people don't think about it, and also think about what is the purpose of going through birth, aging, sickness, and death, we need to think about it. We cannot just live randomly every day blinded and think that everything is gonna just come and go and eventually turn into dust. Okay? It's not going to help the heart to be able to settle down because you don't have something that is so deep and so powerful that will be able to guide you through the life. correct?
Mm.
Yeah. So faith is very, very important. Now, I will talk about faith that my experience is past.